Well, hello again. Delivery driver's just been. Just bought his Vodafone Curve. So we'll get it out of the box, have a look at it, get it set up so he's tagged like every other criminal. Hey, good lad. Hey. Hey, good lad. Let's go and get you tagged, eh? Let's put your tag on. Let's get to work, eh? So you're a proper criminal. Well, his Vodafone Curve's come. We'll get that opened in a minute. And also the attachment for his collar or for his harness. Open this first. Should be fairly easy to do. That's how it comes. We have to go online now and set up with the App Store with Vodafone, get it all set up. But I'll take it out of the box so you can just have a quick look. I'm sure most of you have seen these before. What do you get in the box? You get the charging unit, the cable, charging cable. You get the plastic ring if you want to make it into a key ring and you want to put the curve on your key rings. You get a small instruction manual that comes with it. Then, and I can get it out, you get the curve. So let's have a look at the collar attachments. Then we'll have a look at the app on the phone, set it up. Then we'll put it on him, then we'll take him out and try and track him. Now, I've never used one of these before, pet tracker. I don't really need it as much, but you never know nowadays. The amount of crime, dog crime I call it, where people are stealing people's dogs and running off with your dog. And if you've got a dog, I'd certainly put something like this on him. He's barking at the door because I've just let him out and he wants to come in now, so give me a second. So there it is then, he's back in now. That's the attachment that goes on his collar. There's 3 different sizes, I think they're in here. Actually, you get bloody hell. They're like the promotional gear. Yeah, it's 2 different sizes, 2 more. So let's get this set up and see what it looks like when it's assembled. Well, you get a few more instructions. Basically how to set it up, how to attach it to the collar. Just another bit more paper. That's it open. When I said you get additional brackets, if you notice they're all the same size. So it's this rubber that might wear out quicker or come off. So you've got to make sure that it's secure for the dog. When I say the fit, I don't know if you're going to see that, but the thickness, that's thinner than that one. And the one that's curly on is very thin. I don't know if you're going to see that through there. So there's 3 different sizes. So let me get it set up, get it on him. Oh, there it is, fitted to his collar. Whether it's any good, it looks a bit, let's have a look. Let's have a look, mate. Don't be shy, let's have a look. There it is, fitted to his collar. So we'll go out now and let's go to try. Are you ready to go out, boy? Okay. He's a big baby, aren't he? Hey, just a big baby. Yeah, big baby. Hey. Hey. Come on then, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come that way. Come on. Let's go. Let's go and find your lake. Come on then. Come on. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Let's get going. Come on. Here's your lake, buddy. Just love it down here, don't you? Hey? Well, here we are, side of the lake. It's a nice morning, nice warm morning. Not a great deal happening. He's walking along merrily, just enjoying it. Got a few geese and seagulls on the lake. But yeah. Nice little walk, just getting us around this part. Well, let's walk back now. Somewhere here there's a little bridge you can cut through into this main field. He enjoys it on here. Here it is. Come on mate, let's go over the bridge. Ooh, take your time, won't you let me ever? Here he is. Back in the big field. He just loves it here, don't you? Hey? You just love it here. Shall we go and get your breakfast? Shall we have breakfast? Okay, come on then.